Hi everyone, we're at my favorite hiking spot and we're chasing for a waterfall. But surprisingly, there's no waterfall. It's so quiet here. We were here just a few months ago. It was a lot of waterfall. And now all we find is a lot of fall leaves on this waterfall and a little pile of water. And I'm like, wow, same place, same people, very different experience. This reminds me of like our natural bodies, inflation and deflation. I feel like clothing that's flexible to the body is very important. We are animal, we are nature's animal, so wear something that just like nature, flexible. Like my reversible dress. I just heard a little bird agree with me. I'm Amethyst Salinger. Listen to your heart and express yourself.